Today I want to introduce a book to you, Resolving Spiritual Conflicts. By the grace of God, this is a 13th book that I've written, and I want to introduce this book to you and recommend this book to you. I've come to realize from ministering to people in the area of healing and deliverance, especially for the past 10 years, that there are a lot of things that restrict believers and prevent us from attaining God's best. God has a lot of beautiful plans for us, but usually we fail to attain them and we fall short of God's promises. Now the problem is not with God, the problem is with us. So we have to work on the receiving end. Now what this book seeks to do is to help us to resolve issues, spiritual issues, things that stand between us and the realization of God's purposes. And I want to recommend it to you. It talks about dealing with negative patterns in the bloodline. It talks about dissolving generational curses, pleading your case in the courts of heaven, breaking out of satanic traps and restrictions, placing a demand on the fulfillment of God's prophecies, prophetic word that you have received, overturning evil decrees, settling spiritual controversies, removing limiting factors, and how you can live victoriously in Christ. You can call the numbers on the screen and it will be delivered to you. From next week going, I'm going to be sharing nuggets of truth from the book, and I believe that your life will be blessed. You need to have a copy and go through it and pray the prayers of the book, and I believe that God is going to touch your life in a supernatural way. There are many people who have been blessed by resolving spiritual conflicts, but now it has been put together, expanded and revised. And I believe that if you get the book, God is going to meet you at the point of your faith. God bless you.